2025, Cruisin the Coast, and we are at the Margaritaville stop this morning. And as you can see, it's a little overcast, but it's not raining, and I feel like this is the kind of overcast that's going to burn off at some point today, and we're going to finally get some blue skies and a day without a lot of rain. And then, of course, as we've been talking, as the week goes on, the weather gets better. So by tomorrow, it's supposed to be cleared up, and all stops will be open tomorrow. And so I think it's going to be a good week past that. Do a little touring around. Today is going to be nothing but cars. How about that? Yes, the last couple of days we've been on doing some administrative stuff, getting you some information, talking to people. But today I'm going to try to give you nothing but cars out here. And there's a bunch of them. Margaritaville is always one of the big cruise-ins. It's just, I don't know, maybe 4 or 5 years old. So it's not a cruise-in that's been happening for forever. But it is one of the favorites. And Margaritaville is a great place to stay, might I add. In full disclosure, I don't pay for my room. It's provided for me, so I stay where they tell me to stay. And I was at DoubleTree for several years, and then a few years ago, they moved me to here, down to Margaritaville. And although DoubleTree was a very nice hotel, nothing wrong with staying there, I have really enjoyed my time here at Margaritaville. So if y'all are looking for a good place to stay, they're all oceanfront rooms, or ocean view rooms, let's put it that way. And they're nice, and the people are good, and it's just a nice hotel. There's a bunch of nice hotels down here, so yeah, if you've never been to Cruisin the Coast, finding a place to stay is probably not the hardest thing to do. But we got the of course, you know, I got to give a shout out to Uncle Rod and ET Motor Gear, the official swag provider of Cruisin the Coast. You see people sitting on the side of the road, that's not the same stuff. So if it doesn't say ET Motor Gear, it's not going to be, probably not going to be quality, and it's surely not going to be official. So there you go. Got a little plug in for ET. And we're back onto the cars. Got a bunch of blower cars down here. Street cars, there's everything. You know what I'm saying? It's one of them events that I think it's like pre-79 is what it takes to actually register for the show. But it's open to anybody to come down here and hang out and cruise and, you know, have fun. And this is only one stop of what's happening today. So there's multiple stops happening. Tomorrow's a big one. Biloxi, everybody likes Biloxi. So tomorrow will be another big one in Biloxi. But I think then all 8 stops, 9 stops, whatever, all the locations are open. There is, I shared on the Facebook page a scheduled events. So you can see that. If you're looking for it, just scroll down. It'll be on my feed there somewhere. And yeah, it's all week long. Like I said, it's getting ready to, it's really getting to kick off. It's just kind of been the pre-party the last few days. Our events, they're official events, but you know, there's no stamps to them, you know, getting your card stamped or anything like that. It was one of those deals where this thing ran from, like I say, from like Wednesday to, that's a good looking vet. That thing ran from like Wednesday to Sunday, and people were showing up early, and so they started having events, started hanging out, and you know, it just grew to where now it starts out on Sunday at Hardy Court and goes to the awards ceremony on the following Sunday. So if you've never been to Cruisin the Coast, just a little breakdown of what we've got going on here. Like I was explaining, it's a week-long event, starts on a Sunday, ends on a Sunday, and it's 51 miles of cruising the coast, actually cruising the coast. And there's, I think Woody said yesterday, there's 30-some miles of that, 50-some miles that is unobstructed view of the coast. And they have those expansion bridges down here that, you know, like go out over the water and all, and we don't have those where I come from. Ain't none of those in Knoxville. So I always think that's cool to see it. And so it's more than the cars, you know, and the people are good. And for all the events I go to and all the events I cover, the folks of Mississippi are the most welcome. I'll just be honest with you. That's just telling the truth. You come down here, you have a good time. Everybody's glad to see you. They get wound up for Cruisin the Coast. All the businesses are behind it. It's just an awesome event. It's not a static event. It's not like, you know, going to World of Wheels where you pull it in, people come and look at it. No, you're going to have to drive it here. And then they have several cruise-ins, so it's not like you're locked into one spot. And if you go to one spot, spend a couple hours, you get in the car and drive to another spot. So it's a cruising event right on the coast. And usually, like I said, this is the first year. I mean, I was here the year we got ran out on a hurricane. Excuse me. And the weather was really good up until that point. So the hurricane hit. It wasn't so good then. But yeah, we've had a little hitch in the getting going this week because of rain. Sunday, actually, they canceled things. There's another parking lot I'm gonna walk you over here. So they actually turned the show off at. So I have never been when they've shut the show down. Even the year of the hurricane, they let us keep going right up till like Friday, and then they wanted the town to clear out. So, you know, it hasn't been that bad. It's not really been bad at all. It's just kept things wet. You know what I'm saying? Sunday it did rain quite a bit, and we've had some cells where it's poured down rain, and it's kind of made it hard to get going because you look outside and it's sunny, and the next thing you know, it's pouring down rain. So all that's getting ready to be behind us. And you know, I just tell the truth. So I'm not going to lie to anybody. I would not cancel my plans if I was coming down here midweek. If I was coming down here tomorrow or Thursday for the rest of the week, I think y'all are going to hit it. I think you're going to have missed the weather. You're not even going to know that we dealt with this stuff in the beginning. So don't cancel your plans because you think it's going to be raining. I don't think that's going to be a problem after today. I think things are going to straighten out. I'm looking forward to tomorrow. My buddy Vinny will come in with his Camaro and he'll take over the driving duty. And I get out of a rental Durango and into a 67, 68. First generation Camaro. That's a good looking truck. Now, if Vinny can keep us on the right side of the law, I would appreciate that. Last year, he introduced me to several Biloxi city police officers, which turned out to be really cool. And if those guys are guys and gals, because there was both, if y'all are still following the channel, I wouldn't want to meet you under the same circumstances again, but I would like to meet y'all again, see y'all again. If y'all see me out, make sure you say hi. I got your challenge coin, and I bragged about that for the whole year. I just think that was really cool. Before it was over, Vinny didn't get a ticket, and we both got challenge coins, so it wasn't a bad stop. It was good, and he deserved it. He needed to be pulled over and told to stop running red lights, you know, because he had run a couple that day. So, yeah, it wasn't a bad experience. So if anybody says that the cops down here are mean or whatever, Biloxi's terrible, I read that all the time, I beg to differ. I think they're very patient in putting up with what we give them. And, yeah, if you cross over the line, then they are going to screw with you. But if you're good to them, they're going to be good to you. So there you go. Little check-in from the Margaritaville stop at the 2025 Cruisin the Coast event. Again, don't forget about ET Motor Gear being the official swag provider. And before I run, let me give 2 shout-outs myself. 1 to Concept One Pulleys. Thanks for doing all you do, guys. And the other to US Radiator. I really appreciate that. So, again, from the 2025 Cruisin the Coast Margaritaville stop. Hope you all have enjoyed it. See ya!